All right. Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody who's watching is doing well. That's the opening bell. All right. Let's focus in. Let's see. Target looks good. I want it to get above pre-market highs, though. I don't really want to take a trade if it's bouncing. This is the pre-market bouncing off one of these levels. I don't really want to take a trade there because it's just so high up. So I prefer it to get above the pre-market highs. That'd be really nice. Um, see VIPs. Okay, Thinkorswim, don't be playing. Better load up. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure my sound is on. Last time I recorded a video one of these days with no sound. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's see. Nothing really that's catching my attention. If only Thinkorswim could load charts quicker. Low is not doing anything good. It's completely pulling back. Look at that. It's probably gonna bounce up though in reverse. I wouldn't be surprised. Guild looks nice under 66.70. I would have taken it if I could see where it was at the pre-market on my pre-market chart to the left, but it's loading. I might have taken it. Can't say for sure if I would have taken it. Hmm. Even if VIPS breaks the lows, I don't, because this rejection candle, depending on how it starts to look under 19, if it were to break the lows on this candle, I wouldn't get in. Maybe the next candle, um, I'd get in. Uh, we'll see. We'll be patient. Kind of want to let it pull back because this is the pre-market lows right here. Hmm. Thinkorswim is just sucking. Sorry, TD Ameritrade. I call it like I see it. Low went all the way down. It's coming all the way back up. Hmm. Okay. I ain't mad at it. That's oh okay. That's a level before the pre-market highs. But this is the pre-market highs up here. Okay. Guild looks good. 67, 66, 50 cents. Feel like I missed it. 12 cents. Yeah. Let's see if it pulls back up. I might hop in. Yeah. See, I didn't. It was by 12 cents, and it pulled back up a little bit. Usually, I don't get in on pullbacks. Um. Oh boy. You know, if y'all notice, there was a setup that I took a couple days ago, like this, very similar, that didn't work out. 67 is a stop. Um. But I was thinking about that the other day. These setups don't usually, I don't think they work out for me, or just work out in general. It's more of the curved reversal setups or like certain candlestick setups. Plus, it's look at all these levels that it had to get through to go down. But there's some room to move. That was my reason for taking this trade. There's some room to move from here to here. It's all right. Okay, I'm getting out. Oh wow, look at low. You know what? It probably would have been good if I had my 2 minute chart up. I could have looked and seen, what it was doing. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, Thinkorswim. Goodness gracious. I wish I had the 2 minute chart on here so I could see like what the setup looks like. Hmm. Because I feel like I really want to take it, but oh, here we go. Okay, no, I'm not gonna take it. Finally, some information. Okay, yeah, 2 minute chart under 66.50 wasn't bad. It just came to stop us out. I probably shouldn't. Yeah, see, look at this. That pre-market chart, that uptrend. That's why. That's why, guys. You can't be getting in like that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now it's up. And TJX was so good. Um, Look, downtrending, consolidation. So under the lows, reversal to get under the lows. If I would have seen that, I wanted to take the reversal. Look, like I said, U-shaped, a lot different than Guild, which had that base build up right there, and then it was uptrending in the pre-market. That's something to take note of. You know what I mean? Oh well. Uh, we probably shouldn't have taken a trade without having our all our charts up, but it is what it is. Let's see. DGT did look good on the 1 minute above 148. Yeah, it looks pretty good on the 2 minute too. The lower reversal. I drew these lines because I knew it'd balance out at a support level somewhere around here. I just felt like it would. So, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get a pullback, consolidation, and then ooh, Vips. 2 minute doesn't look great, but the 1 minute does. 20, 30 cent stop. All right. Now it doesn't look great on the 2 minute, but that 1 minute, the double top under the pre-market lows, that's what's driving me. We gotta be careful though, because I feel like we can't let this pass 500, pretty much. I think I went in with the right amount of risk though. So, ooh, maybe I should take some off. I might have to take the whole thing off if it pops up. Okay, I took some off. Yeah, the trades that I'm taking today, Guild was just not a good trade, just hands down. Stock has been uptrending since a area in the pre-market. This is a lot better. That's why I think it's gonna come down. Hold on, but I can't. If it touches 20, I think I reach my $500 limit. But look at Vips. So I'm hoping that it'll come down. The only problem I have with Vips is that it came down so much already and then shot back up. That's my only problem with Vips right now. Oh, but it's looking good. Under 1960. I might want to add my 300 shares back. All right, break 1950. Let's go. You can do it. The 2 minute looks a lot better now. I bet you anything we can get a move all the way back down to the lows. Look at TGT, guys. Oh my gosh. If the pre-market look, this is ridiculous. There we go. Quick pop, 149, 150, 1 point stop, 200. Okay. Well, I couldn't get it in time because the target would have been 151 already, and it was already halfway before I could do what I wanted to do. Oh man, let's say TJX. What a beautiful um setup on the day. See, look. Okay, this was my bad. I need to be more careful when doing this. Look at TJX. The difference between TJX and VIPs. I mean, they look similar, which is a good thing because they're both working. And then Guild is just totally different. The uptrend, but I shouldn't have not have taken a trade on Guild until I got under 60 550 because that would have broke the uptrend. All right, VIPs is working well for us. And then it pulled back. Yeah, TJX would have worked. All right. See, we're learning something every day, learning more control, learning. I didn't have my pre-market up when I took Guild. That's a big mistake on my part, but where am I? I totally Vips. Oh my gosh. I think I was thinking something and trying to do something at the same time. Not good. All right. If Vips, hold on. I really think you can break the lows. Going to 19. If I was trading on CMEG like I'm going to be soon, I'd have taken my target already. Just to be completely candid. um, if it breaks the top of this candle, I'm gonna hop out. 1942, so in 10 cents. 1940, yeah. If it gets above 1940, I'm hopping out. Okay, if it breaks below 1920, then if it gets above 1930, I'm hopping out. Yeah, if I was in CMEG like I'm about to be, and I was riding this, I'd be way too nervous. I'd have calculated my stop, my target, and I'd have got out then. Let's see, 1960, stop at around 19, so it'd be 40 cents. So it'd be at my target right now. If it gets above 1916, I'm hopping out because I'm in profit so much right now. I don't want to just make a dumb mistake. $19.15, I'm hopping out. Thinking about just taking it off now. Look at how extended it is. Yeah. I went ahead and just took it off. It's pretty extended on the 2 minute. On the 5 minute, it looks great. Great enough to break 19. Look. Um, so not a bad trading day. We're $48 down. It was Guild was a terrible trade. I should have known that. I mean, I couldn't have known because I didn't know what type of level I was trading at that point. Let's see. Let's take a look. So yeah. So yeah, I had room to move. It was around here that I took the trade, I believe. Let's go to the 1 minute and find out. Yeah. But so check this out. It's still in an uptrend. Although I had room to move, unless it broke 65, 68, or what, the 65.50 mark that I drew, I should never have gotten in because it's still uptrending. Um, like a TGT though, check this out. It's a good teaching moment. It's a good learning moment for me and a good teaching moment for you guys. Um, TGT breaking the pre-market highs and it consolidated right around there. Look, what I said if TGT consolidates around the highs, I want to take it. I wanted it above 150, stop at 149. That's a point. Target would be 151. That could have been a win if I could have hopped in quicker. Um, if I actually liked my hotkeys on Haywood Trader, I would have hopped in, but I hate my hotkey setup. I guess I can change it, but I don't know. The risk is weird. Yeah, it's hard to explain. You can only go in with a max of 1,000 shares, and so my risk is kind of all over the place. So I need to make sure what I'm pressing is what I'm pressing. Um, and I just figured I could just enter it, but I should have saw this sooner, and I should have got in sooner. So that could have been a win. Also, TJX should have been a winner, either taking it here or taking it here. And this is why I say this, because these pre-market charts are exactly what I want to see. TJX breaking the low of the pre-market, VIPs breaking the low of the pre-market, um, Target breaking the pre-market highs, right? Um, that's exactly what you want to see. But Guild, don't do this, Thinkorswim. Please don't do this. There we go. But Guild not breaking any pre-market lows. It's a gap down, so I don't want to look for pre-market lows breaking. But just steady uptrending the whole time. And so I should have watched out for that. I should watch out for that. And I've been noticing, I've been wanting, everybody wants to trade. And so I've been kind of sliding and taking trades through levels. And that's fine, but I need to make sure it's downtrending. That is big. It is big. Going with the trend. Downtrending. Let's see. I want to check out low because low's been doing nothing but downtrending the whole day. So check this out. Low, yeah, it was kind of uptrending, but it's sideways right here. See that side? Let me go on the 5 minute. Sideways action. So if it broke up and you know pulled back and then continued uptrend, if it broke down, pulled back and continued downtrend, right now, guess what? Yes, you're correct. It was in a downtrend. It broke that consolidation to the low, pulled up and downtrend. So even though it was a gap up, you could have taken a short. Look, broke up, down. If you knew what you were doing, and were paying attention. So that's my training day for the day. Yeah, I made a mistake. We're gonna try and do better the next day. Today could have been a really good day, TGT. Um, could have had a 2 or 3 unit day today, but that's all right because we learned something new and we just gotta enforce the way we see things. And plus, freaking my two charts, the 2 minute and my pre-market chart weren't working when I took guild. So that's another thing. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We are $48 down, which is about break even. On the challenge, I'm up today. After today, I'm gonna be up about $50. So yeah, I'm green, but not really. I'm pretty much break even because one trade could put me lower. So um, it is what it is. Ooh, wow. Look at TGT go, guys. This is what I'm talking about. When it gets above that pre-market high or pre-market low, it, it does good things. VIPs. I trusted VIPs so much because of that double top, and it was under the pre-market lows. I trusted it a lot, even though it didn't look great on the 2 minute until like right there under 1960. That's when it started to look great. Because I took it at this one candle zone, one candle area. Um, but yeah, really good day to see your patterns and strategies work out. Really good day to see that. Um, so yeah, it gets me excited because I'm actually putting money in CMEG. I'm gonna be trading with real money soon. So instead of taking the Toro challenge and trying to beat their challenge, I still um, might take. I don't know. I was thinking maybe I'll trade the Toro challenge a little bit to the end, or maybe I'll just take some wild trades. There's a lot of Discord groups. I might just copy somebody's trades because um, it's a lot easier to just go in there and use this to copy somebody's trades. Because if you beat this challenge and request a payout later, you get a refund. You get your $700 back. It'd be nice to have that $700 back. Um, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, sorry this video is going to be a long video, about 30 minutes. Um, but it is a great video to learn from. Um, so thank you guys for tuning in. I will catch you guys later.